Found an error on your credit report? Here's how to dispute it quickly online with Credit Karma. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to dispute credit report errors on Credit Karma so you can keep your credit history accurate and improve your score. Step 1. Log into your Credit Karma account on the app or website. Step 2. Navigate to your credit report and carefully review the entries for any mistakes. Step 3. Select the item you want to dispute and click the Dispute button. Step 4. Provide clear details and any supporting documents about the error in the dispute form. Step 5. Submit your dispute and wait for Credit Karma and the credit bureaus to investigate. Step 6. Monitor your account for updates and confirm if the error has been corrected. Quick tip: keep records of your dispute communications for future reference. If you found this useful, like, comment your questions, and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful financial guides. Thanks for watching.